Spanish court hotel management refuted claims of racism allegation made by a former worker, Matty Rodney, after a viral video is in circulation online. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
So alright, so you gonna tell me like you just go like I was here like serving the guests. Alright, you're the boss, right? For all inclusive resort. And I be here working and you telling me that that's what you're gonna do? So you're gonna come down and tell me that I'm need to alright. Me go tell social media all of these people doing something right now. Alright, ladies.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The management of Spanish Court Hotel in Montego Bay, St. James, is rejecting allegation of racism and unfair dismissal made by a former worker. Matty Rodney, who was employed as a bartender, made claims in a viral video in circulation online, recording the ordeal which has gone viral on social media platforms. Rodney alleged that he was dismissed on unfair grounds. Responding, Chris Izza of Izza Enterprise said that Rodney had been with his hotel for 4 weeks and was on probation when he started fraternizing with the guests. However, in the viral video in circulation on social media, the guest has refuted those claims. Chris Izza of Izza Enterprise said that during the orientation, Rodney was trained on the hotel's mantra of short and sweet, which meant that socializing with guests is not encouraged at the facility. However, it was reported that on the day he was asked to leave the property, that he was seen with trays on his head, putting on a show for 2 female guests while leaving the bar unattended. He was trying to impress the 2 guests and I stood there at the bar watching him, said Izza, who noted no one else was being served. In his video, Matty Rodney said that he was serving the guests and even gave one of the females something to help with their back. He insisted that he was not acting in an unprofessional manner during the interaction with the guests and asserted that he was being treated unfairly. Rodney also took issue with how he was spoken to by the management. Guests who were present during his recording of the ordeal expressed support for Rodney.
So alright, so you gonna tell me like you just go like I was here like serving the guests. Alright, you're the boss, right? For all inclusive resort. And I be here working and you telling me that that's what you're gonna do? So you're gonna come down and tell me that I'm need to alright. Me go tell social media all of these people doing something right now. Alright, ladies. Alright, so that's the boss for the resort. You know, I was just over here talking to you ladies and just offering you a service. You know what he trying to do right now? Trying to tell me I need to get off the property and go home. What did I do? I was just here like serving you a drink, right? And asking you a few questions. I was just right here. He was telling me like get off the property and go home. What did I do? Man, this is my job, bro, and I'm gonna put it on social media, bro. He always try to do people that, bro. People work and people need money, bro. You don't come like that just because you're boss. He's a racist guy. Why you? Alright, yo, bro. I even try to. No, don't tell me that, bro. I even try to talk to him, bro. I even try to talk to the guy. I even try to talk to him. I said, don't talk to me. Don't talk to me.
He been working here the whole
No,
time.
I be working here. Alright, I just came over here to get like few glasses, right? I'm gonna put it on social media. You think I give a f***? Yo, the man come here and say, yo, he just come right here, sir. He just pull up right here. He just pull up. That's them cheap people, brother. Yeah. The white guy. That's what he do. Most people work here. He just come in here. Leave my property. Go home. You don't belong here. Them cheap people like man. People work here, bro. Nothing, bro. He just come here. He's standing here. You standing over here talking to the lady. I just come to get like 2 dirty glasses, bro. Yo. You better be a bad man. You to want him to work. Hey, I want you. And he gotta pay me my money today. Get my money today. Want you, and I ain't taking my phone off social media. I can't call it every yo girls, was I flirting we are doing nothing a while ago? I just came to get like 2 dirty glasses and you asked me all a question. I'm like, where you from? They say, yeah, no, that's it. Argument done. I went back there, he'll be like, get on here, leave here. That's what I always do. Yo, I help the girl give her some stuff for her back, bro. No, we don't work like that, brother. Because this from a Jamaican think they have money they can because better. Oh, I'm here better. Oh, I'm here better. Oh, I'm here better. You gotta pay me my money today. Today. But better. Today. It's a madness, yo. Brother, just leave me alone, brother. I can get my money today. On social media, this I go today, brother. Every time them should come here and come make piece of money, brother, they can brother. Oh, I'm here, brother. Today. Get my money today, brother. Yo, bro, you know I be up here, man. Like the guy who only reason why he's a white guy. Racist, man. I be out here talking to like the two girls, bro. The guy he come over here. Leave my property. Get off. Don't talk to me. I'm a bluff man, brother. Yes, I'm come from, brother. You know, well, can't tell me nothing else, brother. You never know say something mad, brother. Yo, I'ma put it on social media, dog. Yo, the guy just come up here, bro. I was talking to two girls. The guy just come up behind me, bro. Taking a video. Yeah, the guy, get off the property. Get off my property. Like I give a There's no way to handle things. There's no way to handle nothing. That's on cheap people, brother. That's on cheap people, brother. That's on cheap people, brother. There's no way to handle nothing, brother. That's on cheap people. I'm not have to get my money today, brother. I tell you, brother. It's a madness, brother. Tell me, I tell you, brother. It's a madness. You hear me? I tell you. Don't boy, brother. I treat people like shit. Work for you, brother. Do much work, brother. You just walk in, brother. You want disrespect people, brother. Yo. Up to your dog. I can't tell me, hey boy. I'm to your brother. I must feel like I'm a brother. I'm the boy you gotta give me my money today, brother. Today, brother. Bro. Today, brother. Tell me, I tell you, brother. I don't give a No, brother, somebody, yo, brother, don't, listen. Brother, have nothing. Don't assault me, brother. Cause once you touch me, brother, if you want to touch me, brother, alright, don't try to see him, brother. Cause any man touch me today, brother, problem, brother. This is not the way to me not give a who him, brother, come and tell me, yo, lose weight, there's no fucking go and win. And get me money today. Get my money today, brother. Get my money today, brother. Fuck, brother. Man up this side, yo, then white people that come to Jamaica and try brother. People that work here, do your work and make millions and never pay people no money, brother. And do I treat people like just get me money today, brother. Do you think you know where I'm brother? No, dog, I want to hear, brother. Somebody have to take a stand against them. I want to hear, dog. You have to get me shit today, dog. I want to hear. No, me not relax, brother. And keep don't try. Watch it, don't assault me. Me never touch you, don't assault me. Yo, every time people be working for these people, that's how they do, brother. They come, then my property. Who the f***? You feel like I want to cross to myself. So you have money, my friend, I'm a bad man, I'm from a bad man to but you feel like me if you have money. Tell me, I tell you, brother. Me never touch no man can't touch me, brother. Tell me, I tell you. Give a you get me money today, I'm left. If you get me money today, I give a tell me, I tell you, you get me brother. Come go like you can't disrespect, man. Like, oh, I'm here. Get my money now, I'm leave. I call you. Get me money now. You get me no, me not give a all the time we do people work, fool and do be a man. No, me no explain nothing to them, man, they brother. No, me no explain to him, brother. I just want him to touch me, because fling him off like she not touch me, brother. No, brother, you can't tell me that, brother. You can't come tell me that, brother. You can't tell me that. Me I tell you that right now.
Yeah, no problem. Just go on home until Monday we'll call you and we'll start.
No, get me money. No, brother. No, get me money. No. You me I tell you, get me money. No, brother. Brother, that's not we have no unity as black people, brother. Cause me see man come and tell my body and you all no to see me come jar each up back him. None of us not for nobody, brother. You all not you can't tell me nothing, yo, this one's not touching, no. Any man me not touching, you touch me to them, I black someone in the face, brother. She say me mad, brother. Oh, I'm to your brother. I'm to your dog. She didn't say they have money, can't do. Brother, yo, I'm to your dog. Just using a man, me not talk, brother. Me a rebel and a social media, me a put it on, brother. You don't cheat people with your work, so brother. Come and work and show a man have money and he have in place, he can come tell her, go on your yard. And he will know, so don't take me to come, brother. That me I tell you, what I know. I'm not talking for no one, no unity, no brother. I'll do a run back and I hit you, me no. So that me I tell you, brother, me no hug up man, me no kiss man, no brother, me do none of that thing, no brother. That me I tell you, brother, me a brother. That's why me come look work, brother, me no beg people, brother, go suck. But it's a like, but afraid of who? I'm tell you better madness to do already, yeah? That me I tell you. Get me money now. I don't give a money now. That me I tell you better. Social media every side me I put it on brother. Don't brother. Don't.
In his expletive charade, he also accused the hotel's management of racism and suggested that the owners are foreigners. However, Issa, who was born in Jamaica and attended school here, said that he never imported a manager for any of his properties. All our managers, including general managers, are black Jamaican, Issa declared, expressing surprise by the statement made by Rodney. After reviewing reports regarding an incident that occurred at Spanish Court Hotel in Montego Bay, St. James on June 4, 2022, between team members, one of whom became disgruntled, which involved hotel guests, we are aware of a smear campaign spreading on social media posted recently, the company said in a post on its Instagram account today. We share this public statement denouncing these false accusations in which his former employee has made. He has sent the video to a blogger who continue to spread these vicious and harmful lies about our workplace, our team and community, he added. The hotel have stated that it does not tolerate any discrimination or harassment against any of its employees or guests. We uphold our values in building a strong company culture of team members, and we are committed to our team, our guests and community. 100% of our team members are Jamaican, and every one of our employees are the backbone of our business, delivering unparalleled excellent service, the very essence for which we are highly recognized. When our news team checked on social media, many people were in support of Rodney's action based on the viral video that has been circulating online. One individual posted on social media, "I believe every single word this young man has said. Many of these depigmented people come here to treat our workers like crap. I've witnessed this with my own eyes actually," she stated. Another social media user wrote, "May believe every word. I've seen the behavior of some of these top managers to staff. I'm just sorry that he didn't keep his cool while stating his claim and recorded everything." Another user wrote, "Already got this in write-up reviews on TripAdvisory. The way the manager treated him unprofessional in front of guests was so disgusting and disrespectful," another user wrote. Based on the viral video that is making rounds on social media, it's very clear that many people are in high support of the former employee of this hotel. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.